Okay, so here's our next one. Top two are my pieces. I've got to add those up, how I've got them written, to look like what's on the bottom. Okay, on your sheet, your PCL5 is actually above the line on your handout. Where do I start? How about this? Is there anything that shows up in the top two that I need to cancel out, that I don't want it to be there when it's all said and done? P4s, I want to get rid of those. Okay. In order to get rid of those, they're going to have to be on opposite sides. Are they on opposite sides?
Yes.
They are on opposite sides, right? So that means I don't want to flip one and not the other, right? Because I need them on opposite sides to cancel. Now what? Okay, can we cancel them out right now?
You get the same number on the side.
Okay, well, let's start canceling. Watch this, though. Once you start canceling, don't go back and then flip one of those equations. In other words, y'all, I can't cancel these P4s and then, like in this bottom one, this is what I've got left, just flip those. Okay? But you can go ahead and cancel. Cancel them. Will anything else cancel? What's that? No, say it.
Could you, like, is it the coefficients of the 6 and the 10? Could you cancel that stuff?
Okay, you're looking at the chlorines, the Cl2s, right, John? Huh? Yeah, kind of like a reduce. In other words, I've got 10 chlorines on the left and 6 chlorines on the right. Exactly. Couldn't I cancel out all of these and then be left with 4 right here? Because it kind of goes back to your math. Whatever you do to one side, you've got to do to the other. So essentially what I just did, y'all, is I subtracted 6 chlorines from the right and I subtracted 6 chlorines from the left. That left me with 0 on the products and 4 on the reactants. Okay?
So you subtracted.
I subtracted, yes.
Okay.
All right, write down what, go ahead and write down what's left.
You don't have all 4s.
Yeah, so that's what we've got left. How do I come up with a delta H? I simply, go ahead.
Do we have to get rid of the 4s before we add?
No, go ahead and add, because that's, if I say 271 plus a negative 382, the answer to that goes with this equation. Okay? So 271, yes, I get negative 111 kilojoules. Am I finished? No. How do you know you're not finished? Because this 4 PCl3s plus 4 chlorines yields 4 PCl5s. That does not look like this. PCl5 yields PCl3 plus chlorine. How are they different?
They're swapped and you have 4 of each.
Yes. The reactants and products are on the wrong side. How can I fix that?
Swap them over and change the delta H.
I can flip that whole equation and change the delta H. So let's do that first, okay? I'm going to take this equation and reverse it and make 4 PCl5s makes 4 PCl3s plus 4 chlorines. And when I do that, this changes to a positive 111 kilojoules. And then what did y'all say? What's that?
Divide it over 4.
Yes. Now you divide everything by 4. That would make this 1. this 1, and then I have to take the 111 and divide it by 4, and that gives me, I think, a positive 27.75, which is my final answer.